안녕하세요, 필릭입니다. 학과 친구 중에 버섯에 대해 잘 알고 있는 스웨덴 친구가 있어서 그 친구 주도하에 버섯 채집을 다녀왔어요. 스웨덴에 오시면 정말 깜짝 놀라는 게 버섯이 엄청 많아요. 숲에 가지 않아도 길가의 버스 정류장에 정말 널린 게 버섯이에요. 저희는 학교 캠퍼스 바로 근처에 있는 조그만 숲에 다녀왔고요. 그럼 버섯 채집 같이 보실까요? Can you eat this?
This one seems to be a little old. Yes, it is a little too old and not really. So we are too late.
Aha. Oh, it's good?
Gomfidius.
Gabdirius?
This one.
Ah,
This one, so.
this one looks fresh.
To make a photo of the edible.
You can look at this one.
Look.
Well, this is sometimes
There's a hole
Yeah.
inside.
This is all right. No? Is this fresh?
this is this one.
Ah, poisonous one! Just throw away.
So this mushroom is deadly.
Deadly? Okay.
Is this edible?
This one
If it's
is
nice, it's probably deadly.
This one is for a picture. No food.
no food.
Wow, it looks ugly.
So it's definitely safe.
Really? Is it?
No, I don't know. It's ugly.
What?
So.
Please look at it.
No.
Did you see it?
Looks not that bad or good.
It's mushy.
Yeah,
Is it good?
cushions there.
If it is not too old, so it is good.
I'm pretty sure it's bad because
This one
it looks
is-
pretty.
Because it's what?
Can I see the top side of it?
That's
Again,
the top.
it has
Oh,
it has no.
Is it good?
No,
No, it's
it is not.
Yeah, definitely. Nice.
Seven good ones, yeah?
These mushrooms are very near to the street.
berries? What
This
is it?
Lingon.
It is lingon. Oh, Sasha, the red mushroom here.
Oh my god,
It's
it's
very
definitely poisonous.
But it's beautiful. Oh, really? Blueberry? Wow.
Jeez, do you see that?
Blueberry.
Interesting.
Hey,
So you just eat them?
blueberry. Mm. Berry picking.
Very picky.
Cool. Wow. Very big one. Mm. Yeah.
You sure you're not gonna get sick?
Oh, it's lingon. Mm.
I think it was a bud.
Wow. You have some lingons.
Oh, I love
Lingonberries and blueberries.
Cool. And you also have mushrooms here.
Yeah.
Wow.
This good?
That's
Flora is very busy picking berries. Oh. Oh. Wow, very big. Ooh.
Yeah. Peeling.
Can I touch?
Yeah. Do you want to hold it? Yeah, it's very slimy.
It is 16 hours now.
Wow.
Are we